Hello, this is Laptop Media, and today, we will show you how to open the MSI Stealth 15M and what's inside of it. Taking this laptop apart is quite an easy process at first. You need to undo all 13 Phillips head screws and then work your way around the bottom panel with a plastic tool. Please remember, it would be of great help to us if you just hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. That would motivate us to make even more and better videos for you. Unfortunately, your work is not done here. Before we proceed, you can see the battery, which has a 52.4 watt-hours capacity. And on its left, you will find the M.2 PCIe X4 storage slot. To get access to the rest of the stuff, you need to remove the motherboard. First, unplug and remove the battery, the M.2 SSD drive, and the Wi-Fi card. Then, you have to unplug some ribbon cables, including those for the touchpad, the keyboard, and the display. After that, remove the two Phillips head screws that are holding the motherboard in place, and carefully lift it away from the chassis. Here, you can see the two SODIMM slots, which fit a total of 64 GB and work in dual-channel mode. Also, you can check out the cooling solution, which consists of two heat pipes, dedicated for the CPU, and two dedicated for the GPU. Then, there is one for the VRMs, and one, which is not connected to a heatsink and cools down the graphics memory. If you'd like to see more disassembly videos of the latest notebooks, we would highly appreciate if you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.